I've rebuilt my time machine. It's idiot-proof. We'll see about that.
It's the end of civilization.
Space pirates.
Vampires.
Alien invaders! What do we do?
We must embark on an extremely perilous journey. Rats.
We'll enter in order of expendability. First Zoidberg, then everyone else.
Hooray!
It's time for a revolution. 3, 2, 1.
You can't just leave me here to die!
Good point. We'll stay and watch.